I've been drinking more alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? Now did you look for me? I walked in the room, eyes are red, and I don't smoke banga. Did you check on me? Did you check on me? Now did you notice me?
Even though I've been trying my hardest, but it's hardest in the darknesses I'm fighting. Where is the lining? You know I'll never be dishonest, and I promised I'd be by you all the time. And I know I can't hide it. Yeah, I've been struggling to focus on you. Promise that I notice when you're hurting, but I'm working to feel anything. I hope I can hope and share my mind.